This video will show you how I created Dragon Empress. Now, let's start with File, then New. You can see my settings there. I renamed my file HCD Dragonia, and the height and width of the document was set into Instagram Real Story dimension with 300 resolution. I enabled the time-lapse feature over there because I can upload it later for my Instagram tutorial teaser. Okay, now let me begin to draw. My favorite default sub-tool is Design Pencil from the Pencil tab. For Dragonia, I start with a box shape for the head and body. Especially for the head ornaments or details, I create simple features such as a dragon's webbed scale for the winged ears and horns. Because of Clip Studio Paint tutorial rules or guidelines, I can't show you my reference from a web browser here. Moving on to refinement, I used rough pencil and a new layer to trace my draft design of the Dragon Empress. This part will involve creativity and playing around with references from anywhere that you can access throughout the internet. The whole outfit comes from having the Empress look without adding too many details. Since the dragon has pointy scales, I use that feature alone for the robe of Dragonia and her shoulder pads. It's not armor or anything, just a casual Chinese or Japanese style outfit combined for the hybrid themed character design.